All right, Joe Benuelos here with another installment of your, not mine, your Mad Metrology Minute. All right, thanks for joining me. Okay, today we're going to talk about hardness. No, I was going to tell a joke, but we're going to leave that alone. All right, we're going to talk about in the metrology world, when you need to take hardness, we know that obviously there's benchtop units, Rockwell, there's Brunel, and we sell all those. In fact, this is our line card. If you can zoom in a little bit, this is our line card. This shows our calibration side, our repair side. These are some of the lines that we carry. We're dealers, distributors for Metrology, Starrett, SPI, Hemco, Brown and Sharp, Flex Bar, and some others, PMC. Today we're going to talk about phase 2. Now phase 2, we have with us today, let's say you're in a situation where you need to take a hardness test, but you need it to be a mobile hardness test. All right, now I've got a previous video I've done on this unit right here, which is a leeb style. I think I've got it right. Hang on one second. On the leeb style, this unit right here. This is called a PHT 1800. I've done a video on this already, so you might want to check out the videos below. This is a great hardness tester, portable. However, it has limitations. The limitations are as long as you have at least an inch of thickness. As long as you have at least an inch of thickness, a little bit of mass, these work great. And I'm not going to demonstrate today because, like I said, I already have in a previous video. Now, but the reason we're here today, what if you have less than an inch? Look at this. What is that, like about a half inch or so? Yay. Okay, if you tried it with that style, it's not going to work. Because that style works off a rebound. Basically, you would, here it is right here, this is the leeb impact device. With these, you would cock it like that, carbide balls on top, you would hit the release, and the ball would bounce. With this is way too small, so it would never, it's not enough, doesn't have enough thickness, not enough mass, so basically, you're not going to be able to read it. So what would I do? Well, or you're not going to be able to get an accurate reading. What do I do if I have a part that's smaller than an inch and I want to go portable? Glad you asked. All right. This unit, PHT 6000, and I'm going to fire it up here. You can see it's got a nice display. It's really cool setup. If you zoom in a little bit, I don't know if you'll be able to see with the glare or not, but it's set up really cool to where here you can see the probe type, the test times, you can see the average, minimum, maximum. But what I'm here to show you, you can see it's real clean. It has a nice feel to it. It's kind of a metallic black body, really nice, cool looking. And these are rechargeable, by the way, 5-year guarantee. All right, and they come in a case like this one here. In fact, this is the actual case. Really nicely done. They have these cool little bags here. So it's really neat the way they package it together here. Little test block. Okay, now we're going to get to the nitty gritty. Nitty gritty. Okay, here we go. All right, let's do a test. Okay, let's try it out. If you zoom in a little bit here, you can see this actually has a solid feel. It's metallic, has a little weight to it. I've already plugged it in already. I've plugged it into the proper port to save a little time. And we have a little impact device here. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. Grab it like you were grabbing a baseball bat. All right, what you do is you make initial contact, then you push it with some force. Just push down with some force. Takes you a couple times. You want to get a little practice with it, but take it, push down a little hard. There you go. There's a 60.7. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try again. So again, you can kind of zoom in a little bit. You make contact, and then you push down. All right, so again, you make contact, and you push down with some. Make sure you have a. Make sure and put some effort on. You don't want to slam it down. You want to hit the surface. Then you want to push down. And there you go. Again, 62. This block is a 62.5, so it's within one Rockwell point. These are 3% accurate. So the point is that very easy. Okay. You know what? Why don't we go play some golf? No, I'm just kidding. But look at this. Well, I'm not kidding about. This is a golf club. This is A. Now those who are golfers, those who are not golfers want A. Let me see. I know that the golf clubs have numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 iron pitching. What's an A? I'm gonna answer that at the end of this video. All right. Reason I brought you see this piece here. What if you needed to get a hardness on a piece similar to this? It's small. Okay, so I would recommend kind of bracing it, but here we're going to give it a shot here. So again, I'm going to make contact, then I'm going to push hard. All right, let's try it again. Make contact, push hard. See the grimace on my face. Let's do that again. Contact, push hard. Okay, there you go. It's got your hardness value there. So the point is, this is a smaller piece. It gives you an idea of what you can do with this unit. So it's, again, if you're looking for portable hardness, by the way, this is ultrasonic technology, so it leaves no mark. It's really cool. There's no mark left on the golf club here. You may see some marks, but those marks are when I didn't hit the golf ball properly. Arg. All right, now, you remember that leeb stuff? Remember I was talking about this unit at the beginning? Well, it used to be you would have to buy this one separate than this one. Let's say you had some big stuff that was plenty, you had an inch or more, where this would do the trick. Well, you said, well, shoot, I kind of like the ease of operation there. I'd like to have two of them. Bingo, I got an answer for you. This PHT 6000 now can do both, which is really cool. So we're going to unplug this probe, and we're going to plug a leeb style. Goes in this on this side here. So now this is weird because now you say, wait a minute, now it's a leeb. Now, what we have to do is we have to go to the menu. Here, and we just scroll down. Let's see if we can do this backwards. Okay, probe selection. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to go here to leeb. Even if you can't see it, it's not as important as understanding that it's easy to do. Check, enter. Okay, now we have a leeb style unit. Now it's a leeb style tester. So now we'll go back out to the main menu. We have a leeb. So now, bang bang. Let's get this big block here. This is the type you would use for a leeb style. Again, you have it over an inch. It's got a little bit of bulk to it. And sorry this video is running a little long, but this is important to get all this in. By the way, if you're looking here, when you have a leeb style, I don't know if you can see on the video, and yeah, those are rings around my glasses. That's a whole nother thing. You see these lighted rings, but anyway, there's a little bitty dings. This is what the leeb style, because it has that carbide ball, will leave a little ding, whereas the ultrasonic does not. All right, what we've done, we've turned this unit into a leeb style. So all you do is click it, and you have your number. So again, basically, you now have an ultrasonic and a leeb style portable hardness tester together. And all you have to do when you make this purchase, you just have to purchase this separately. And now you can do the best of both worlds. Kind of like Caitlyn Jenner. Now that's another story. Okay, that's pretty bad. All right, so other than that, folks, we are good to go. Keep us in mind for calibration. Keep us in mind for repair. Keep us in mind for any other tool needs you might have, calipers, micrometers. If you need a hardness tester demo, give me a call. Just you can call me on my cell phone. Most of you guys know me. You can send me an email. All right, now that brings us to the joke of the day. Well, we had an unanswered question about the golf club. We were talking about, what was it? Do you remember?
The A.
Oh, the A. What does the A stand for in a golf club? Let's see. A. Any guesses? Approach. It's an approach web because you're approaching the green, your target. All right, anyway. Joke of the day. Let's see. We're gonna go lame. What's black and white and red all over? An embarrassed zebra. Gotta go low sometimes. All right, folks. We'll talk soon.